Hey everybody, it's Jeff Mays, independent agent and owner of the Mays Agency. As we go through these little mini-series on homeowners insurance, I just want you to know that this is a package. Homeowners insurance comes in a package. And as we look at each section, those packages will come together as a major homeowners policy. So let's get started. Coverage A on your homeowners insurance policy is your dwelling coverage. Now, your dwelling is your house. It's the building that you're living in. The most important thing about this particular coverage is that the value on the first line, that coverage A line, would be enough to rebuild your house in case it were a total loss. Now, that might be from a fire or other incident where the house was totally destroyed. Having the proper coverage on coverage A is one of the most important things that you can do. Our building costs have been going up in the double digits for the last several years. So if you haven't reviewed your coverage A coverage lately, let's say in the last 3 to 4 years, you really need to, because you could be terribly underinsured. So the most important thing that you need to do with the first line, coverage A, is to make sure that you review your insurance every year. Well, I hope you've liked this video, and if you did, please like it and share it with anybody else you know that it might be helpful to. We're here to help you in the states of Washington, Oregon, and Idaho, and we're more than happy to give you a quote or review your insurance if you're in any of those states. If you're outside that area, we can direct you to another agent. As an independent agent, we have over 10 companies in each state that we work with, and being able to have that type of selection to find not only the best coverage, but also the best price for you is our goal. So if you'd like to submit your information to us to get a quote, you can do that at jeffinsurers.com, or you can give us a call. Thanks so much for listening. I hope you'll like and share the video today.